I would love to show you a couple of techniques to enhance your face right away, whether it's for a date or like for a certain event. So basically, how to sculpt your face without makeup. We're going to start to massage our jaw muscle to release the tension and increase also lymphatic drainage. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, massage them, to become the most glowing and radiant version of yourself in the most sustainable way. So if this is something for you, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and relax. And now we're going to say 10 times wow to give you this rosy look and increase blood circulation into your entire face. Let's go. Wow, 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 and relax. This might seem a little bit funny, but honestly, it's an amazing way to release jaw tension and increase blood circulation. If you feel everything is warming up, you already see it here. This is what we want. Next thing, we are going to chisel our jawline. Really go in deeply and even do the motion slower to really move along the tissue. This is not a superficial move, this is really going deep. And you can go also slower. And relax. Now we're going to plump up our lips naturally, so no lip liner to make your lips bigger is needed. And for that, we are going to pinch the contours of our lips. Also the bottom lip. Do it evenly across your lip line. And we are not pulling, but we are pinching our skin, as if you're closing a little button. Look at this. And release. This is also releasing the tension around here, and of course, you're not gonna have Kylie Jenner lips, but it's an amazing hack in case you don't have your lipstick with you, or you just need a little plump naturally. Love it. Next thing, we are going to sculpt our cheekbones, and this gives us this natural contour without even using a contour stick. So let's go. We're gonna go with this finger and glide one by one. You can also do one side and then the other, but like we're going to save time. You can also do like this. Envision your fingers are your gua shas, and you're really sculpting out your cheekbone. Make sure your shoulders are relaxed and down while doing it. Give your temple a little wiggle. Amazing. Next thing, we are gonna actually sculpt our cheeks and also give them a little bit rosiness. And for that, we're going to pinch them right here. Again, we are not pulling, we are pinching. Amazing. So, now that we already feel like a little bit fresh, sculpted with plumper lips, let's do anti-puff our eyes. And for that, we're going to use these fingers because they're not as strong. We don't need to really push into the skin to depuff our eyes. We actually need to just get the lymph fluid moving to depuff it. We're gonna go in this direction. and release. And now, if you feel like you have upper puffy eyelids, we are going to depuff them. So we're going to place our thumbs right under the eyebrow bone and move along towards the temples and then again out. Really, really with firm pressure, move along the bone and towards your temples. You can give your temples also a little wiggle. And last one. Envision how you're really moving the fluid out and down. Amazing. So now we are wanting to open our eyes naturally. And for that, we are going first right here and release the tension from this muscle. This is also amazing against crow's feet, and just releasing the tension, you will see how my eye will lift in a little bit. Don't forget to breathe. Look at this. It's already like, what a difference. It's just like, because we are releasing the tension, the muscle can again like lay as it's supposed to be, and you look like this. Let's do the other side. Don't forget to breathe. Amazing. So now that our eyebrows are more or less even, last thing, or almost last thing, we are going to place our palms on top of our eyebrows, lift them slightly. My forehead is not frowning, and I'm gonna look down for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, relax your shoulders, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and release. Wow, you feel already like right away your gaze is open. And of course, we are not talking like surgery changes, but natural changes which just enhance your natural, authentic beauty. So, last thing is scalp pulling. And this is amazing because it will increase blood circulation in our entire face. It will also give you a little bit of volume in your hair. And we are going to gently pull our hair evenly throughout the scalp. This is not only amazing for blood circulation, because the scalp is literally the extension of your face, and it must be elastic in order to prevent wrinkles, in order to increase lymphatic drainage and blood circulation. You can give it a wiggle, you can go circular motion. Just make sure to really go in evenly. And I love that once you do it also, you are left with like super voluminous hair, and you just feel more awake because blood is running through your face. And I would suggest you to do this before an event, before a date, or in the morning, because once we start improving the elasticity of the scalp, we do not want to go to bed because all the fluid can run into your face and make you look puffy in the morning. So this is a little hack on the side. Now that we are a little bit more sculpted, lifted, and just more fresher and dewy in a more natural way, I hope this routine was something you liked. And if you truly want to like work on specific areas, I have a personalized app where you can literally answer a bunch of questions based on your needs and based on your desires. You will get your personal face yoga routine. So check it out. You can try it out 7 days for free, and then you can choose whether you want to join or not. And with that being said, I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, mwah.